Today I'm going to demonstrate Azure Intelligent Capacity Extender within Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.5. This is a new feature we've introduced which builds upon Azure Capacity Extender, which was introduced in the 4.4 release. In order to edit and configure settings for this feature, simply go to the Properties of a Host Pool and choose the new Azure Capacity Extender tab. When we enable Azure Capacity Extender, we see our default VM size for the pool. So this is currently a D2A, which is configured in your auto-scale settings for the pool. And we can manually specify additional sizes that we would like the pool to allocate in the event that resources for this specified VM size aren't available in the region. So it's a method for mitigating a regional outage of resources, or in the event that you perhaps have exhausted the cores that you have available in your Azure subscription. With Azure Intelligent Capacity Extender, we build upon this functionality by allowing administrators to simply tick a box. You can see the alternate VM preference sizes gets grayed out because we're now using Nerdio Manager for Enterprise to automatically specify alternate VM sizes in the event of an outage. Now, these alternate VM sizes will be allocated based on your current running configuration in the pool. So we will assess the current size of VMs running in the pool, and we will specify a very similar size, so similar resource profile, RAM, CPU size, to allocate new VM start and create activities to in the event that we're not able to use the pool default size. I hope this video has been useful. Thank you for your time, and we hope to see you again.